Hi, welcome to my channel busitech. Today I am going to unbox the iPad cable which was brought from Amazon.in. So the cost of this one is 130 rupees. So it is useful for both charging and data transfer for iPad, iPhone, iPod, so all Apple devices. So let us do unboxing and see the cable quality and the size of this cable. This is the bill. This is the cable. Okay, let's remove this cover and I will see inside the cable. This is the cable, that is Winga Joy Lifestyle Accessories was made by this cable. So 1 meter express series. So let us open this cable inside this. Yes, this is a nice packaging. Looks nice packaging. Actually they have given the specification also. High quality USB cables. All Winga Joy, we cherish your passion for the best things in the life. It is a standard outbrand committed to the quality and safety and customer satisfaction. So the quality is looking nice, good. So this is the cable. So this is a 1 meter cable. The cable quality is looking good. You will get 1 meter long length, and this smoothness is also very good. See the quality build, the white cable in color. So this side is for iPad. So it will useful for both iPad, iPhone or iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPad, recent iPads and everything. So it's a lightning cable, cable for charging and data transfers. So this is the cable. See, this is the cable, the nice quality. So if you want to buy it, I will provide the link in the below description. Please go through it to buy it. Like this, I will upload a lot more videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.